Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the assignment that I mentioned in previous video about coding exercise number 14. So here I mentioned we solved the problem like it was like if the number greater equal then 0.5, it rounds up the number, the output, and otherwise it rounds down the number to 0. However, we didn't check if the input number is actually between 0 and 1. In order to do that, we need to use nested if conditions. So here I added the code. So this part is like the previous video. It's like we just initialize the number, then we read the number from the user and store it using scene function. But before going through the round up and round down procedure, we first check if number is greater than 0. If this is true, enter this if condition. So, and then if number is lower than 1, then if this is true, then it enters this condition to round up or round down like before. However, the else condition here is that, okay, maybe the number is greater than 0, but it is not lower than 1. So then here it shows the message saying that invalid input. So this is the important thing that we need to consider. So let's try. So the program is working like before, like I would say 0.7, it rounds up. And if I say 0.2, it rounds down. So let's go through the procedure here once more. So it starts with this if condition. The number is greater than 0, yes, it enters. The number is lower than 1, yes, it enters. Then it says the number is greater or equal 0.5. It's not true. Then it escapes this part and then goes to this else section, which we round down the number. So let's see. We need to write something between 0 and 1, but we write something like 20. It says invalid input. But why? So it checks if the number is greater than 0. It's true. Then it enters. Then it checks here if the number is lower than 1. It does not pass this condition, so it escapes everything that is in this if condition, like until here. You see the bracket closes here. Then goes to the else condition saying that, okay, let's just print out the invalid input so the user would understand that they made a mistake.